Hello, my name is Alan. So in this video, I'll be giving a presentation of cloud computing proposal presentation for Flex Scolaire Bellevue. That is the company for which I will propose this cloud computing proposal. So to get started, we're asked to give the cloud service model. So, because as we know, the business is expanding and it has few years of existence. So, to reduce the cost of buying IT infrastructure, I suggest that all the computing resources can be rented from the public cloud. This will facilitate the interaction between students, teachers, and everyone who will want to know more about the business. So here we will have all computing resources offered and handled by a cloud service provider. So, and there are three cloud service models that generally exist, and I will give some explanation. We have software as a service. Software as a service is a software distribution model in which services are hosted by a cloud service provider. These services are available to end users over the internet. So the end users do not need to install any software on their devices to access these services. We have also infrastructure as a service, delivers on demand infrastructure resources such as compute storage, networking, and also virtualization. Platform as a service provide a one-time environment. It allows programmers to easily create, test, run, and deploy web applications. That's it. So, what service model is the best choice for my business and why? So, for this small business, software as a service is a good fit because of the following reasons: it is cost effective, it is scalable, and also data can be accessible 24 by 7 via internet, and it increases security. So you can access these services wherever you are. So it depends on the location. And through it, you can also the teachers and students will communicate easily and also exchange information. So uh, how do I implement a cloud infrastructure using as a service? So to implement a cloud infrastructure using as a service, we must adopt some practices and strategies. To have it work, we will need to do the following. So we have to establish ownership, roll out plan with goals, embrace the change, identify the impact on the business, continuous improvement, and optimization. So after that, we have also service level agreement. Now, um, there are so many problems out there, even in the cloud. So the problem is how to manage and monitor the IT infrastructure in the cloud. So it will depend on the vendor that we are going to choose. The cloud IT infrastructures will be managed and monitored by the cloud service providers or a management service provider. So they will use available and powerful tools to do so. Yeah. Thank you very much. And then another thing is about security. No, even in the cloud, there are also security risks. Risks are inevitable, but there is a way we can mitigate them. And I'm going to just to give some security risks in the cloud. We have malicious malware, limited visibility into network operations, compliance issues, data loss, data breaches, account hijacking, and also insider threats. So these are the risks that that we face, we will face while on the cloud. So, how are we going to mitigate these risks? To do so, we have to choose the trusted cloud service provider. We have to limit who can obtain access to sensitive areas, install firewall, and train the cybersecurity staff. We have to implement backup and recovery solution. We have limit access to critical assets and also implement multi-factor authentication. We have also to implement risk assessment. So with risk assessment, we can do penetration testing, we can do application scanning, we can do vulnerability scanning, and so forth. So that's it. And to summarize this and also give my conclusion. So in summary, cloud computing is evolving and expanding. So every business needs cloud computing no matter the size. This is due to its importance. We will never regret our choice to migrate to the cloud. Your business needs cloud services because it serves the company's money. Instead of purchasing compute, storage, and network resources, you can rent them from the cloud. You will pay only for what you use. You can scale up or down your resource. You will forget about software updates and licensing. Because there is also trusted management service provider, you don't have to worry about the security of your data or network. This will be handled at no cost. Software as a service is a good choice for your business. It will help your business expand, save money. Software as a service will help students and teachers access resources wherever they are found. So even in case an outbreak occurs, because your data is stored somewhere in the cloud, in case of a disaster, your data will be stored at no cost. Because the business's model is become exceptional, choosing us will help the company achieve this model. Hoping to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.